Hello everyone, this is Bobby here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something I've never done before. I made what I see on videos. It's called a Cajun microwave, and I'm going to show you how I made it and everything. What I did, I made 2 boxes, 24 by 22. Well, actually 24 by 24. The boards on the end are 22 inches when I cut them. I lined them with aluminum foil, and one of them I cut the top out of it, and it's going to be the top of my Cajun microwave. I've got this pan that I'm going to use to put the fire in. Today I'm going to be using charcoal, but you could use a regular little wood fire. It just sits in there. Charcoal goes in there. This goes on top of that. Food goes in here, and hopefully it works. We're going to see. Normally when I use a box oven or anywhere when the food is going to be in contact with the smoke from the fire, I don't use match-light charcoal because the food will come out tasting like lighter fluid. But here, the fire and the food is totally separate. Okay, this is going to be made like a regular fruit dump cake. We're going to see how it happens, how it works. I've got a can of regular Libby's 100% pure pumpkin. I've also got a can of pumpkin pie mix. Hopefully it mixes together. Should have done it in a bowl first, I guess. Now I take a little bit of yellow cake mix, just sprinkle it on top. That's why they call it a dump cake. Everything just gets dumped in. Spread that out a little bit. So this can be done in a regular oven just as easy. Believe it or not, we don't have a regular oven in our house. It doesn't work. So I made an oven. Now we take some little pats of butter and put on top of that. A little bit more. Okay, that should be enough. Now what I've done, this microwave is like for very large pieces of meat, I guess. It could, but I'm just doing this little small dump cake. So just to lift it up some, I've got this baking pan. I put it upside down in the bottom half. And put the dump cake on top of it. It's just sitting there on top of that other baking pan. Now the other half, heavy, sits on top. The other way. There. It's supposed to be square, but for some reason it fits better one way than it does the other. All right, time to light the fire. One thing good about this is I can use this thing 3 different ways. Right now it's a Cajun microwave. I can put a grill on top of this and turn it into a barbecue. I did that at a fishing trip we just made. I just took the pan and the grill and put some charcoal in it and made a barbecue pit out of it. I can also take the bottom half of this and turn it upside down, and it'll be just like a box oven, only with wood instead of cardboard.
We got barbecue pineapple here. We have zucchini here, a moisturizer with smoke there, onion, chicken, sausages, and the pork chops don't take as long, so we don't
Do them
put
later?
them on right near the end.
Okay.
The
Brussels
Brussels
sprouts.
sprouts.
Okay.
Not quite done yet, not squishy, but getting it.
Okie dokie. Well, it looks like I need to do some experimenting. I think I made the oven either too big or something. The top of the dump cake, the cake mix itself didn't get brown like it should. I added some extra butter, and also I turned the bottom piece upside down and put the cake closer to the fire, to the heat, so it would get done better. But it's been under that heat for like 2 hours, and so I'm gonna bring it inside and try it and see what it's like on the inside. Well, I think it's done. I'm gonna try it and see. I just cut me out a piece. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is day 2. Last night didn't go exactly as planned. The pumpkin dump cake, it came out tasting like a pumpkin pie, but I think I put too much cake mix on top and there wasn't enough liquid in the pie filling, and the cake mix itself didn't really get done. So I'm gonna try something different today. I've turned this bottom box upside down. I could just do this on the ground, but I'm gonna use this box since I got it anyway. I'm gonna cover this with aluminum foil. I did this last night towards the end of my dump cake, and I think it helped. Made the food a little closer to the heat source. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some biscuits in the oven itself. Now I'm going to cover it with the top part here. Put the little fire pit back in it, the tray, aluminum tray. I'm sorry, stainless steel. And while I'm at it, excuse the dogs, they're barking because they're playing with each other. I'm gonna barbecue some sausage patties on the top while I'm doing the biscuits on the bottom. Okay, since I'm using match light charcoal, it smells like lighter fluid when you first light it, so I have to wait for it to die down and all the lighter fluid gets burned off of it before I can start cooking my sausage. Also, I went to my storage and I got my thermometer that's used for boiling crawfish or something like that. I'm going to use that to put underneath to see just how hot it is in there. Okay, the fire has died down. Mostly just white coals now. Made some sausage patties, only made 3 because that's all I usually eat at a time. Okay, it's 225 degrees now. The sausage, got 2 pans. It's sort of like a barbecue. All right, the sausages are looking good. And it's up to 260. Okay, got up to 300 degrees in the oven, and the biscuits are done. In fact, they're a little bit overdone. Ooh, goodness. Well done. Another lesson learned on timing. Don't do it quite so long next time. Back to cooking sausage again. Sausages are just about ready. I'm going to add a couple of eggs to it. That shouldn't take long at all. If you scrape the black off, the biscuits came out perfect. Well, my breakfast slash supper is ready. Hope I'm pointing that in the right direction. I'm not looking right now. I might be eating a little bit of this out of the pan because it's not non-stick. It's more of an experiment than a meal. First time for everything. But it worked. Next time I'll use a non-stick pan or something like that for the eggs. There. A little salt and pepper. And we're ready for supper. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe, please like. Should have another video out real soon. Thank you. Good.